There are two kinds of printers in business, the ones that quietly do their job, and then there's the ones that somehow turn printing a simple label into a minor emotional event. So today we're looking at the Munbyn 403B, which Munbyn sent me over for review, along with a few different label types to test properly. Some sparkly ones, some gold ones, some square labels, some standard white ones, and also the usual 4x6 inch postage labels. And that's actually quite useful because this sort of printer only gets interesting once you stop printing the safest possible label stock and start using the kind of materials small businesses actually care about. So Munbyn says the 403B supports Bluetooth and USB connectivity and it prints a 203 DPI, which is the sweet spot for that small business side, for stickers, product labels, and shipping labels. Now, one of the features Munbyn wanted me to mention is DAC technology, so let's do that quickly and like normal people. Basically, the DAC system is there to improve print accuracy, and Munbyn says it converts digital signals into more precise analog ones at the printhead, which helps reduce alignment errors and print offset. So in plain English, the point is that labels should line up better, drift less, and print more cleanly, especially on awkward materials like clear, iridescent, coloured, or differently shaped labels, and that's the bit that actually matters. I don't think anyone has ever bought a printer because they got emotional about signal conversion, and that's what I want to test here. Not whether the feature sounds clever, but whether the printer actually feels useful in a real small business setup. Because that's the main question with tools like this. If you're using it for branding labels or thank you stickers, product labels or QR labels, price labels, anything like that, does it just work? And does it line things up properly? Does it handle different materials well? And does the software make it easier or harder? And does it feel like something you'd actually want sitting on your desk every day? That's the review. So starting with the printer itself, setup was pretty straightforward. It's compact, it doesn't take up much space, and that matters more than people think, because when you've already got product, packaging, stock, and general business mess trying to take over your workspace, the last thing you want is another massive bit of kit demanding its own corner like it's paying rent. The 403B is designed as a direct thermal printer, so there's no ink, no toner, no cartridges, none of that nonsense. That's one of the big appeals straight away. It's a simple machine doing a specific job, and that usually makes for a better business tool. Munbyn also pitches it as a quiet, fast printer with shipping platform compatibility and support across desktop and mobile workflows, which is exactly the sort of thing I'd expect from something aimed at Etsy sellers and small business owners. Now, one of the better parts of this setup is the software side. Munbyn's print app is available on iOS and Android, and it's built around creating and printing labels, stickers, and barcodes on the go. They also have a browser or desktop editor workflow, which is good because not everyone wants to do all of this sort of thing on a phone. Sometimes you just want a bigger screen, a mouse, and a bit more control over what you're making. From a small business point of view, that matters a lot because the printer is only half the story. If the app is awkward or the design workflow is clunky or updating the printer is some weird battle, then it doesn't really matter how nice the hardware looks. So I'll be showing you the app, the label creation side, the update side, and how all of that feels in actual use, because that's part of the value here. Now let's talk about the labels Munbyn sent over, because this is actually one of the more interesting bits. The standard white labels are obviously the safe, sensible, expected option, and they matter because if a thermal printer can't handle plain white labels cleanly, then we may as well all go home early. But the more interesting test is with the other stuff. The sparkly labels, the gold labels, the square labels, the more decorative label stocks. These are the ones that tell you whether the printer can go beyond just shipping and into branded small business use. Munbyn specifically positions the DAC system as helpful for clear, iridescent coloured and differently shaped labels, so this is exactly the sort of thing that should show whether that feature makes any difference in real life. There's a big difference between a printer that can make postage labels and a printer that can support the branding side of a business as well. If you're a product-based business, those little details matter. Thank you labels, logo stickers, QR code labels, packaging labels, ingredient or care labels, whatever it is, those small touches add up. They help the business feel more finished and more intentional. So if the 403B can handle those properly, that makes it more useful than a one-trick shipping printer. So overall, what I'm really looking for in this review is simple. Does it print cleanly? And does it stay aligned? Does it handle different label types well? Does the app actually feel helpful? And does the whole thing make sense for a small business rather than just sounding good on a spec sheet? Because if it does, then this is exactly the kind of tool that can quietly make a business run better. And honestly, those are often the best tools. Not the flashy ones, not the ones with loads of hype, the ones that save time, reduce friction, and just get on with the job without making everything unnecessarily dramatic. And that's what I want from a thermal printer. So let's get into the actual test and see how the Munbyn 403B holds up. And if you do want to check it out for yourself after the review, I'll leave the links in the description so you can grab one. So as you can see, the Munbyn 403B is sat there on its stand, which you can also purchase separately. I've got the labels there that Munbyn sent me, so really appreciate that, Munbyn. Thank you very much. We will go over some of those in a moment. But what I'm going to do is I'm recording my screen. I'm going to bring my screen on from my phone, and I'm going to show you through the app itself. Okay, so this is the Munbyn app, and as you can see at the top right here, if I click it, I've already connected my printer. I can click into the settings here, and if there was a update to be had, this is where you would find that information. I can also quickly print a quick test page, which would just print out like that, which looks great, and I'm happy with everything there. And then we can go into templates, and you can literally go in any template. Let's say you're selling t-shirts. You can click onto this and use this label. I've got the 4x6 inch labels in there at the moment. I can go in there and I can add an image, my logo. I can add some text in there as well if I wanted to. Subscribe. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Make the font a little bit smaller so I can fit it in the center of this t-shirt. And then we're going to make this quick subscribe shirt cut t-shirt. And all I've got to do, bottom right, is click print. Now I can go into the settings. I can choose how many I want to print. For this, I'm just going to do one. I can even set the dither mode on. That's if you're doing like images and things like that. I can change the speed and the density. And yep, that's all good. I'm just going to print one of these labels. Let's print that. Let's send it to the printer, and there we go. So now if I just rip this off, this is your cue to subscribe. So the app is really, really well thought out, and you can go super detailed and create any sort of custom label that you want. And edit it as much as you want and make it look exactly how you want, or you can use the absolute thousands and thousands of templates that are on here. I mean, I don't know exactly how many, but from my experience, I'm guessing there's thousands because there's so much on here. Wedding, what have you got? We've got thanks for small businesses. That's more us, right? So what we'll do is we're going to switch the labels over to some of the gold sparkly ones, and I will show you what they come out like. Here we go. So we're going to use these ones, and I'm just going to change this little text a little bit. Followers, and my shop is Tender Tree. It's actually gifts on the social, so we'll do that. Oh, don't want to do that. And there we go. Thank you for supporting our small business. Follow us at Tender Tree Gifts, and you can put a QR code on, or again, you can spruce this design up as much as you want to. But for now, we're just going to go and we'll print, let's print 10 of these and send it to the printer. There we go. And just like that, we have lots of thank you stickers that we can put on our products, and these just peel right off like so. So once you finish printing your label, you've designed one that you really like, you can actually save that too, and you can save it as a preset so you don't need to design it every single time, and then you can just go from there. Let's try the rectangle ones as well. Okay, so I want to search for handmade. So I want it to say handmade by Keely, like my wife.
And I need to find the right size, which I believe is 2 inches by 1.18 inches on these labels. Or maybe these ones. We'll go with these ones. I'm not going to edit this one. I'm just going to print it just to check. And let's change the quantity to 10. Click print. There we go. Look at that. And it's literally perfectly center every single time. It's so accurate. Like we used to use, until we got this one, a old Jaden's thermal printer, and it's good, don't get me wrong, but this thing, we can increase our brand identity by creating things like this that is going to help give us a better perceived value and a more complete business. So I think for small business use, the Munbyn 403B is spot on, in my opinion. One more thing I wanted to show you inside the app. As you can see, it's really easy to use. But if you ever need to buy labels, you can just click on store and you can buy the creative labels, the general labels, the label holders, postal scale labels, and even the label printers directly inside the app. And at the moment, it looks like they've got a bit of a sale on the labels. So I might go and purchase some of these after this video. So as you can see, this thermal label printer is just absolutely spot on. It's going to be great for increasing your brand and showcasing that you're a small business, handmade business. Etsy buyers love that sort of stuff. Packaging is 9/10 of the law on Etsy. So if this little machine can help with pushing my name further out there, that's great. I really like it. It gets a big thumbs up from me. The only issue I would say is that the labels are on the pricey side, but I guess it's because they're fine-tuned for their printers. So that's expected when you're buying into a machine like that. Now, don't get me wrong, outside of this review, I have tested it with paper fold and rolled labels that I've purchased separately on Amazon to test with this machine, and the ones that I use on my Jaden's machine, and they all worked perfect as well. But they just, I mean, I don't know how well you can see that on the camera. That is just spot on. For things like this, I'm definitely going to be purchasing my labels directly through the app via Munbyn, because I think these labels look spectacular. Super happy with the ink density. I'm super happy with how quiet it is, and I'm super happy with how fast it is. So yeah, Munbyn 403B, definitely a big thumbs up from me. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you're thinking of getting this printer, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button while you're there. I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers before the end of the month. Can you help me do that? That would be amazing. Make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.